So we're in spot number 2. The wind was pretty bad at the other spot, so I moved down to this little creek area, and we've got some running water. All I have is this little ultralight rod and my 1 tackle box. Hopefully we can catch some fish here. Well, there's 2 of them. Oh, I got something. Let me tighten the drag a little bit. Get up here. There we go. Nice little bluegill. Brim, sunfish, what do you want to call it? Really nice colors on that fish. All I did was put a little grub on a really tiny hook with really light line and a really small rod. And yeah, that's how it's gonna go today. See you, buddy. Oh, got some. There we go. Oh, that's a sunfish there. Really orange belly. Same size about the last one. These fish are out in the middle in the shade. I don't blame them right now. All I'm doing is throwing it to the right, letting the current take it all the way down, and usually getting bit right in the shade area. There we go, got another one on. Another sunfish. This one has really nice colors. These fish are always so fun to catch on a really light rod. Look at those colors. That orange eye. Thanks for the fight, bud. There he goes. Oh, that's the biggest one yet. This dude's really stocky. Look at him. Right in the corner of the mouth. Thank you, bud. There we go. Another one. Another nice one there. Let's let him go. It's about, I don't know, 9, 10 o'clock right now. It's pretty hot, honestly. Time to give the bass a little break. Come to this little creek behind the lake I fish. And there's a bunch of bluegill, sunfish, every little micro fish you can think of. There's even a nice sized carp back here, and this vehicle's messing me up. But we're gonna ignore that because I've got fish on my hook right now. We're just playing with it. Most of these fish are obviously too small to hook onto, but there's a couple nice ones in here, like the one I have on right now. Oh, that dude's running. Come over here, boy. Come here. Looky there. Another sunfish. Man has a really big hump on his forehead. But yeah, that's all it is. So I tried getting a cool release of that fish, and went in the mud. So we're going barefoot with this one now. Hopefully no snake wants to say hello. Oh, there's another one. That guy's running. Every cast we get, well, it's the smallest one yet. Still, still fun to catch. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, different species challenges, micro challenges, and anything else, put in the comment section on what you want to see. Leave a like if you do enjoy this video. Let's catch some more fish. There we go. What is this? Oh, this guy's dark. Is this a pumpkin seed or a bluegill? But there's really unique colors on it. See ya, bud. Wrong way. Oh, he's still right there. I caught, man, there's like hundreds and hundreds of bluegill beds over here. Bluegill, sunfish, pumpkin seeds. Everything you want right in this 30-yard stretch of water. Every cast, look at that. Every cast. That's another pumpkin seed. Another one. If you want to go out and catch some pumpkin seed, bluegill, whatever, get yourself a little tackle box full of little crankbaits, swim baits. Right now I'm using a little grub style bait and then a eagle claw 8/0 hook, really small. And that's all it is. The simpler the better. Let's go catch some more fish. There we go. There we go. Another one. Nice little pumpkin seed. Back you go, buddy. So I think I've caught enough on this little grub. Where should I put it? Put it right there for now. Now, think about the popper, or what should I use? I'm gonna go with the popper. Haven't used that in a minute. Try to catch one of these carp. See what happens. Popper on. Hopefully I'll get a little bass, big bluegill, maybe a carp. Come after it. I don't know. Just hoping for a little top water bite. As I always say, top water is always fun to go by. And let's get it going. There we go. As soon as it hit the water. There we go. First fish in the popper. Stop spinning. Ah, don't do that. There we go. Look at that. One treble in them. Oh, two trebles in them. Sorry, bud. First fish on a popper. So catch some more. Just switched up to a grasshopper type bait. And this is a little like topwater crankbait kind of bait. And those carp, for whatever reason, just took off. Don't know what in the world was that. Oh, got one already. I'll pull it off. This bait can be used as a top water and just leave it floating, or it can be used as a little crankbait. How it has a little lip right here. It's really good for shallow water if you're using top water, and maybe a little deeper water. Use it as a crankbait. Right now I'm gonna use it for both, because you know, why not, right? Why not? There we go. First one on the grasshopper crankbait. Open up, buddy. Open. Open. Ow. There we go. This one's a bluegill. This might be the first bluegill I caught, or maybe the second one, I don't know. Definitely the first one on the grasshopper crankbait. Let's go catch some more. Now, if you guys are enjoying this video, leave a like, comment what other videos you would like to see. And if you don't like this video, put it in the comment section and tell me. But if you want more stuff like this, put it in the comments. Let me know what other videos, what other species you would like me to do as I hook up on another fish. I don't know what it is. Feels pretty good. Oh yeah. Nice fish. This is the biggest of the day. Look at this. Look at this mondo. This thing's big as my hand. Look at that. That is a really, really nice fish. See you later, Harry. Oh, 10 out of 10. So I just tied on my fourth bait, a little micro swim bait made by Berkeley, I believe. And this is probably the bait I'm gonna end off on. Hopefully I can catch one of the bigger ones today. And yeah, let's get it going. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Little gill. Little gill. There we go. Look at that. Pup. Thanks for the fight, dude. See you later. It's about 11 o'clock. Caught a good bit of bluegill sunfish. And I don't know if you can hear me over the little spillway, but I'm ending the day off right now. Walking back to the truck. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more ideas of videos and just species to catch, put it down below. And leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.